Ooh, a lot of water down there. Oh yeah, we got a lot of water. Okay, so doing a service call from Blair. Says that we gotta, I don't know if you guys could see this. See all this down there? I don't know what this is. This is like a carpet of plants or something. Yeah, it looks like it's leaking, or maybe the temperature pressure relief valves dumping water there, but I think he just wants to get it up and going, so we'll see if we can't do that today. I don't really like that. I don't really like this clicker. Pretty dirty. So sometimes you get a lot of dirt up in here, and we'll just use some of this natural water that we found. Sometimes you get a lot of dirt up in here, and it like prevents spark. So yeah, I don't know if that's gonna do much. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, it looks a little better. Just hoping it's not the valve. Okay, so I'll get a new one. More robust. Sucker. I think the sucker's leaking. Look at all this stuff. It's always hard to it's always really difficult to see the spark when the sun's directly facing the water heater like this. There's a little better view of the impending doom here. What I think's going on. I think this plants of like an ecosystem here. Let's see what's going on. There we go. Okay, we got pilot now. I just couldn't see it. There we go. Okay, I think it lit right up. Get in here and check. I heard it fire up. Yeah, it's going. So it just needed to be relit and then probably drained of water. But you know, you can see this thing's done. All the GEs are going out right now in San Diego. This is like probably 2010 or 13 or something. Yeah, it's 2011 GE 40 gallon. That is completely shot. It's just leaking water. I mean, it's not completely shot, but it's she's not doing so good. But we got her going, so they'll have hot water, and then I'll let the homeowner know and that he needs to replace it here when he gets around to it. And then I've got some available. I think I can get a 50 gallon in here. The supply lines look pretty good. Looks like there's plenty of room in the shed, so. We will see what he wants to do anyway. So yeah, basically just relit this one and then discovered water down here and drained it out. It's mostly empty of water, I'm pretty sure. Maybe a little bit. Let's see what we can do about that. Kind of poking around down in here. It doesn't really, this insulation doesn't really matter anymore. Just want to make sure it drains. There we go. Yeah, that was holding up some progress. On the draining. Yeah, kind of see it. Help give it some air. All right. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. And as always, have a great day.